Hey, what's up? I'm Colleen. Welcome to my channel. I'm just a girl who's enthusiastic about makeup and positivity. And when I say positivity, I mean bringing people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool. Awesome people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So I'm so excited today. I am doing my collab with Laurie Latimer. We are doing our Self-Love Valentine's Day collab, and I am so excited about it. Laurie is such an awesome person. If you are not subscribed to her, please check her out. I will, of course, have her linked below. You should, like I said, definitely check Laurie out. Laurie is such a bright, positive person. She calls herself Sister Fantastic, and that is just the way to describe her. She is absolutely fantastic. She has a great channel. She does Mask Mondays, she does Wellness Wednesdays, Therapeutic Thursdays, she does unboxing, she does pretty makeup looks. She's really knowledgeable about skincare. I actually got into Mask Mondays because of Laurie, and I really enjoy watching her because I feel like she knows what she's talking about. And I've actually learned a few tips about skincare from Laurie. So that's really awesome. And I just really like her as a person. And I was so excited that she wanted to do a collab with me because I love people who are full of positivity and promote self-love and being kind to yourself and being kind to others, because that is what I like to do on my channel, what I like to try and do in my life. I know it's hard to do all the time because sometimes you just get angry and you just get mad. And it's totally okay to like get mad and be angry at somebody, even at yourself sometimes. But you always have to remember that at the end of the day, the best thing to do is to try and always be kind. So for my part of the video, I figured I would do a makeup look and talk with you guys. And also, I'm doing my first giveaway. I'm so excited. You have to stick to the end of the video to find out how to enter and what you'll get and all the details. So please stick around for that. I'm so excited. So let's get into creating a Self-Love Valentine's look. So I just prime my eyes like I always do with my P. Louise base. And I'm actually going to go into my Besame Sleeping Beauty eyeshadow palette. I love this palette. I figured I'm going to do my makeup with makeup that I like really love and that means something to me. Sleeping Beauty, in case you didn't know, is my absolute favorite Disney princess. I just love her. I love that movie since I was a little kid, and when Besame put out their Sleeping Beauty collection, I believe was it 2 years ago now? Or last year? I got it for my birthday and I was so excited, and this is such a beautiful palette, so I definitely wanted to use this today. I mean, it's just so gorgeous. Oh, love it. So I'm going to go into the color Blush 105 right here. As much as I do love this palette, I won't lie, it is a pain in the butt to use because it doesn't like to stay open, so it is a little annoying. And that's where this mirror came from too, which is my favorite mirror of all time because it makes me feel like a princess. So I'm just going to take this very deep red and I'm actually going to just put it in my crease and socket area, going back and forth and just blending it out. Because let's just go bold. It's so important to remember to be kind to yourself. I think that's something that we always forget to do. We always put ourselves last when it comes to that kind of stuff. But there's nothing wrong with, feeling good and being nice to yourself. There's nothing wrong with having a day where you're just like, you know what, I'm treating myself. Whether it's you go to the spa, you get your nails done when COVID and everything's not going on, or you do it yourself, you have a spa day at home, or you can do facials, or if you just want to eat all day and watch movies and that's your idea of a treat. It's a treat for you that day. I think that you definitely should have days like that because it's so important to have moments where you just sit back and relax. I'm definitely one of those people that I definitely can tell people to, be kind to yourself and be nice, but I'm not always kind to myself. I won't even lie. I'm my worst critic. I feel like everyone's that way. Everyone has that inner voice that's like, you suck, you suck, you suck, and I feel like mine is nice and loud and proud, and I just totally did that. So now I'll tell myself I sucked because I did that, even though that can easily be fixed. We just live in a world that's very, you're trained to be hard on yourself. You're trained to pit yourself against other people, which is a shame. And as much as I do love social media because I've met so many amazing people and been able to connect with family and friends who don't live close to me and stuff like that, it is very, very dangerous for that reason. Because, you know, you can see what everyone is up to or, you know, putting out there. And sometimes it can be very deterring. But just know, if you got up today and you smiled and you made it through the day, you did good. So I'm going to jump into one of my other favorite palettes of all time, and it's the Dominique Cosmetics Berries and Cream palette. I just love this palette. And for my brow bone area, I'm going to jump into this color called Sugar Cookie. This was my first Dominique's Cosmetics palette, and I absolutely love it. For me, it works fantastic. I know I've heard other people say that they don't really like it all that much, but I have had only amazing luck with it, so I can, you know, only can speak for myself. But I just love it. I think it's such a nice, warm, fall toned palette. It's fun because it's named, you know, after like food. So yeah, there's that. Because I'm a dork. I love when like eyeshadow and things have like cute names. It's not the favorite food, just like, you know, cute names and fun names. It's just nice. And this Sugar Cookie is one of my favorite shades from the palette because you can use it for your brow bone. I've used it in my inner corner. You can use it for a highlight. It's just a really versatile color. And that's what I like about this palette too, is it's like a full face palette. You could do, you know, blush with this palette. You could do your eyes. You could probably do some contour and bronzing. I'm not sure if I could just because I'm so pale. But yeah, I might be able to. Soft and Sweet and Toasted might actually work. But it's actually just a really great palette. I just really enjoy it. And I know I've talked about it before because I've done like my favorite palettes and stuff, and I've included that I think multiple times. So I think I actually want to use a combination of Bittersweet and Cherry Juice. And I'm going to apply that to the outsides of my mobile lid, bringing it up to my crease. And I'm going to leave the inner part of my mobile lid without any shadow on it. I'm getting a tiny bit of fallout, but that's okay. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of glitter glue on my finger and I'm just going to apply that to the middle of my mobile lid. Bringing it a little bit over to where I put Bittersweet and Cherry Cola and almost up to my crease. But just like that so far. And now I'm going to jump into a beautiful color from Tracy's powder room called Cosmic Carnation. And it looks like that. It's so beautiful. You can see it right there. And I'm going to apply Cosmic Carnation where I put the glitter glue. It's just such a beautiful shifty color, and carnations are my favorite flowers, so I had to include that in this video. And then I'm just going to take the brush that I had Bittersweet and Cherry Cola on. I'm not re-dipping it. I am just going to brush right where the meat just to kind of blend them out, and I'm just leaving it just like that. And I totally said Gunta, didn't I? So what are some of your favorite things to do to like relax, show yourself some self-love, you know, remind yourself that you matter, things like that. I also really like meditation, listening to music, you know, just doing things that I really enjoy that make me feel good, which I think like everyone kind of, you know, does. So for my waterline, I just went in with NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner in the color Weho. I really enjoy NYX Vivid Brights eyeliners. I find them to write really smooth, really nice. I find all the colors to write nice, and they're really affordable, so I really enjoy these. So I think for my lower lash line, I'm going to jump back into the Berries and Cream palette, and I'm going to do a combination of the Cherry Juice and Bittersweet again, because I just really liked how those two went together. I'm such like a pamper myself kind of thing. What I like to do is I like to do face masks, and then I like to relax and either watch TV shows or movies, usually on like Netflix or something, and just chill out and like comfy blankets, comfy clothes, and just like fully relax. And that just usually makes me feel just really good. I can be having like a really crappy day, and then that'll happen, and it's just awesome. Especially nowadays, because with COVID and everything, you can't see your friends and your extended family and all that, so it does make it a little hard. I also won't even lie, I really like playing The Sims too. I never grew out of that game. And then for my inner corner, I'm going to jump into Sugar Cookie again. So this is my finished look right here. I'm really happy with how it came out. I'm not happy that my right eye is tearing, but it is what it is. My right eye is sensitive. It has a mind of its own, and it likes to tear and ruin my eye look, so it's okay. But I really like how it came out. The Cosmic Carnation with the red and the pinks just really popped. I don't know if you can see it like in the light, but it's such a pretty shift to it. And then for my lipstick, I just followed up with another product from the Besame Sleeping Beauty line. It is the lipstick in the color Maleficent, because I think it's a really pretty pinkishy red color. And I forgot to mention for my highlight what I used one of my favorite highlighters of all time. Usually in my lighting you can't see, but it's on. I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow Kit. Very holographic again. This is one of my favorite highlighting kits of all time. I've had it for a while and I just love it. Sorry, it's a little sloppy in here. I've had to repress one or two because I dropped it, but it's okay. They're a little sensitive, but they're so sparkly and so pretty. I actually used the color Regal in here because I'm wearing like a reddishy shirt, and it's just such a beautiful highlight, and I really enjoy it. If you like sparkly highlights, I don't know if this is still available. I tend to think that it's not, but you could probably get it on Macari or Poshmark or one of them, or even maybe at TJ Maxx or something. This is like a really fun highlighter kit because it does have some sparkles in it, and I absolutely love sparkles. So I did mention a giveaway earlier in the video, and I'm so excited because I have never done a giveaway before. I've always wanted to, but I've just like never done it for some reason. And Laurie's like, let's do a giveaway in our video. So I'm like, absolutely. So the products that I'm putting in the giveaway are the Professional Hydrating Primer, the Benefit They're Real Mascara, which is one of my favorite mascaras, the WonderBeauty Double Date Lip and Cheek palette in the color Rendezvous, which is actually the blush that's on my face now. One of my favorite face masks sheet masks from Sephora, which is the Holographic Hydrating Mask. Again, what is it me lately in holographic stuff just like on the screen? It's so blinding. And the 111 Rose Gold Skin Mask. Those are all products that I enjoy, and I really hope that some person who wins enjoys them too. Also, the person who wins is also going to win the products that Laurie is giving away on her channel. We're going to do one winner for both of our giveaways. So how to enter this giveaway is you have to have a valid US address. Unfortunately, this time we are just keeping it for US residents only. I will do a giveaway in the future that is international, so I hate excluding people, but for this time this just makes it easier for us to do it because in the US. You have to be subscribed to both Laurie and I publicly on YouTube. Leave a comment on both of our videos telling us how to get a hold of you and that you want to be entered into the giveaway. And then on February 17th, one of us will be drawing one lucky winner. So good luck. Definitely check out Laurie's video to see what she's giving away. Plus, she's just awesome and you want to check out her channel anyway to see her video. She's going to be so positive. I know it, probably way more positive and more fun than me. I feel like I was a scatterbrain mess in this video. But anyway, my celestial cupcakes, that is it for this video. So if you liked this video, please feel free to give it a like. If you really like this video, please feel free to subscribe. If you want to do neither one of those things, that's totally fine. I get it. I'm not one of the cool kids. That's okay. But I thank you so much for stopping by and spending this minute with me. I really appreciate it. I will still send you tons of happy thoughts and positive vibes your way just for stopping by. So thank you. As always, I will have everything that I'm wearing on my face as well as my Twitter and Instagram handles below in case you'd like to follow me there. I post pictures of looks that I do not film as well as pictures of my pets and I think they are adorable. But of course we are all biased when it comes to our fur babies, but oh well. So anyway, from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic day and remember, be you, do you, love you. Bye!